Good morning traders and welcome to the daily call today, Wednesday the 13th of April. Looking at yesterday's markets, we had data come out from the US. There was a CPI number coming in at 1.2%, whilst the core CPI came in lower than the forecast at 0.3%. Mixed day for the US dollar yesterday. While it made ground against the euro, it did lose ground against our own local Aussie dollar. So that was all that's yesterday. So let's jump along and have a look at the chart of the day. Now, the chart that I've been tracking, which is the Euro AUD, has finally come to a setup. What we have here is a situation where we are in downtrend. The market is making lower lows, we can see there, and the highs are also seeming to get in lower. And we have pulled back and produced a reversal pattern. Now this is an engulfing candle pattern. It's a slightly more aggressive pattern. So for those of you who don't like the more aggressive engulfing, well then you can sit this one out, but this one is set and ready to go. And the way that you normally trade this pattern is at the start of the candle, which is right there, you would take your position short and in the direction of the trend in continuation. So there you have it. The Euro AUD is set, ready to go. Now I also have a second setup, which is the Aussie US dollar, similar story but in the other direction, where we have the Aussie US in trend going upwards. The lows are getting higher, as you can see, and the highs are getting higher as well, which basically indicates an uptrend. We have pulled back, produced an engulfing candle again on this one here, and if you're ready to go for it, your entry would be right there as I'm showing you there. So there you have it. That is also another chart of the day. It's the Aussie US on a daily timescale, and the previous one was the Euro AUD. Alright, moving along, and let's see what's on the agenda for today's session. There's actually quite a lot of data coming out today, starting off at midday from New Zealand, where they will announce their official interest rates decision, and also release their official rate statement, the monetary policy from the RBNZ. At 4 p.m. from the UK, we have CPI numbers which are due out. At 10:30 from the US, we have PPI numbers, and then for any CAD dollar traders at midnight, we have the rate decision from Canada, and also the monetary policy report coming out. So that's heavily impacting data. That's why I've got them in red. And finally, at 1 a.m. in the morning from Canada, Bank of Canada will give their press conference. That pretty much wraps up the session. Lots of data there. Guys, as always, please feel free to contact us if you do have any questions. You can also follow me on Twitter at ChatFX for trade setups and breaking news. Most importantly, hope you all have a fantastic trading day. I'll talk to you tomorrow for the daily call. Bye for now.